Remington PG6015A Rechargeable Stubble and Beard Trimmer, black. Premium full steel, self-sharpening blades, no oil blades for maintenance-free styling. Cordless operation with 30-minute runtime. Charging indicator light. Top reviews from the United States. I have used this for a while and it's standing up well. Just clean the blades on the razor often or else they help drain the battery faster. Easiest way to go about this is simply get a small container and pour some alcohol and turn on the trimmer with the blades in the alcohol and that will do it for you. I like it. It has heft. I don't know about the battery life yet. Bought it to replace my old one that finally gave up the ghost. Not a lot of attachments to lose either. Nice product.